Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? My name is Rola. If you're a first time on this page, welcome to my channel. How we talk about is Brazil. Anyways, in this video guys, I wanted to show you this place called ESPAÇO FAMILIA that is located in every mall in Brazil. If you're following me on Instagram, on Twitter and my other apps, I'm sure you'd have seen this video. Okay, but this is a longer version for YouTube guys. My parties on YouTube for you guys to see also and not miss out on the opportunity in case you live in Brazil or you plan to live in Brazil. Anyways, this space is for you that has children. Everyone has children, right? That have little children, please, kids, newborn and the rest of them. This space allows you to change your baby's diapers, cook for them, give them nap time, watch some educational movies or cartoons, allows you to microwave their food, give them clean water, just basically care for your kids when necessary. Okay, outside of your home, caring for your kids outside of your home and outside of your comfort zone. You don't even need what the initiative of this place, I think, is that you don't need to carry around all the baby necessity, all those pampers, all those diapers, all those other things, cooler, all those big bags. You don't need to carry them around if you're going to the mall, okay, because the mall is going to provide you with everything possible. See Urala now, fine girl. Anyways, the mall is going to provide you with this space called ESPAÇO FAMILIA, located in every space or every restroom in every mall in Brazil. Feeding table, microwave, clean water, washing hand basins, sanitizer, everything clean and proper. They won't even allow you to go inside if you don't have a kid, because they obviously don't want you to contaminate what children would be using. Okay, so as you can see, I'm about to get some water and drink for myself, but before I got to this point, I was asked to sanitize my hands, before getting inside, and so that I don't contaminate anything I touch there, although they'll be cleaning it too. Okay, so who qualifies to use this space? People that qualify to use this space are people that have kids, and I think it's just 2 people per kid. So like 5 people cannot go in because of 1 kid. Okay, so it has to be like maybe a couple, probably a woman and a woman, a man and a man, or a man and a woman, just a couple, 2 people that can go in with their kids. Kids they don't have limited number. You can go with as many kids as you have. Okay, so there's this space where you can use to also rent these baby pushers. Okay, they are free, they come in different categories, different styles, different models that you can use. Okay, yeah, Bridget was scared. She said, I hope they will not say we should pay for it too. I had to assure her, no, it's absolutely free. But for it to be free, you need to register with your CPF at this point. That desk right there behind me, you need to register with your CPF. You see why I say you guys need to have a CPF. If you don't have a CPF in Brazil, it's almost very useless for you. Okay, so yeah, we're all is already, looking like, what the fuck is going on? Who is this? Why is she putting me on the trolley? Help, mama. Look at her. Oh my god. But anyways, it was such a fun day. You can borrow this, and then when it's about time you need to leave the mall, you just have to return it to the same spot, and there's no time limitation, I guess. Closes when the mall closes. Okay guys, enjoy the rest of the reel. Bye.